I come with a new problem. My name is Astos, and I coming with a new gaming problem. The name is game is a break brick wall. Okay, means we are creating some wall of using the bricks, and we try to break using the ball. We have a paddle. For the first, I open the game and show you how it is look like and how it we play, and then I explain the code. Okay, we have a this is the brick which is visible here in a red color, and this is the wall. Okay, we have a one circle, it's called ball. We have a one paddle like a skateboard. Okay, it is when for the starting the game, for the start this game, we need to press space. Okay, and this paddle is move in the right and left direction. Okay, so I start I'm going to start this game and show you how it is playing or how it is look, and then I am able to and then I explain the code. Okay, I press and move this paddle in the left and right direction. When ball touch the bricks, it will break, or if I miss the ball, oh, then game will stop, and again if I need to play again, I need to space sorry click the space again. Okay, this code is creating completely in a Java and is showing in AWT. Okay, we are creating different class for the paddle, which is visible in like a skateboard, creating with the help of this class, where we maintaining with the help of like a AWT, and the ball we are creating with the help of this, and the brick we have a this class where we pass all the things for the paint. Okay, and the brick grid, it is we are using this class for creating the wall of the bricks. Okay, this is the main class where we write all the logic and the call for of all the classes. This is the constructor where we set the title, and in this game in this project we are extending the JFrame. We are not creating directly object of the JFrame. Okay, and whenever we using like set title or a set default method without like a dot, without the constructor, without the reference variable or object, it refer to a JFrame. Okay, and this is the like a panel which we created below, extending with the help of JPanel, and also implementing the action listener for the key listener. Key listener we are using for moving the left and right. Okay, and the action listener we are using for the break the bricks. Okay, all the logics is there. There we move the like and how to handle how to like all the logics where we write each and everything like game over, how to move and write bounce, again bounce. Okay, this is the complete method which we written in the ball. I show you. Okay, get bound solve things. Okay, and this is the pedal, this is the ball center. Okay, I'm going to push this code on a repo. If anyone want to this code, feel free to comment on my channel, and please subscribe and like my video if you like this. If you have any suggestion for me, feel free to comment on my YouTube channel or YouTube video. Thank you once again. Please subscribe, like and share my channel or video as well. Thank you.